uhluleka ukuthola iplaymaker enye ezolekelelana no-Apolis bese kuba ngazathi embona u-Apolis uthi akasekho useful kanti unayo iCrit. Apolis still namanje useseyi-best player. Yabona uqalisa ukhosisile no-Apolis kwi-game eyi-1 khona uHotho khona uCM. Hayi khona into emnandi ezoqhamuka lapho. Kushesha nje futhi igoli lisheshe ukungena.
Sanibona bafethu wegama lami nguSanele aka uDonsa Nkabi sithi welcome back to Starting 11 bafethu. We are back with another video. Ngangejwayele bafethu niyazi ukuthi ngihambi ngedwa ngihamba noSibuda Libuda. Sibuda grand.
Nandi kunjani?
Bafethu siqeda kubuka igame yeSekhukhune United semi-final versus Orlando Pirates ebidlala eOld Peter Mokaba Stadium le eLimpopo. Kuphele ngo-1-0 Orlando Pirates winile ukore uDion Hotto 44 minutes.
Yeah, besekiyela lapho
time. 44 minutes. So congratulations to Orlando Pirates, congratulations to Dion Hotto, congratulations to Coach Wadu. So before we get into the game, please don't forget to follow us on YouTube at Starting 11 XI. So Sibuda bafethu uzongena ayihlahlele ayihlinze ayiqobe ayiphake nidle bafethu. Thank you siyabonga. Sibuda.
Hey, we're Starting 11. Sibuda Libuda in the house. Yeah, dlalile iSekhukhune sihoste iOrlando Pagania.
Yes.
Peter Mokaba Stadium. Yeah, dlalile futhi game ibe mnandi kakhulu after igoal kodwa before igoal. Yabona lento yokuthi ubuilder from the back niyaphaselana emumva. Ifuna ngazathi ningayenze practicing kakhulu. Nijwayele niyazi. Few seconds umdlalo uqalile. Pirates intercept ibola from Cardoso. Ampur kube igoal. Kube igoal. Few seconds igame iqalile.
Before nje iminute ingene. Kusho kwaba a fantastic goal.
Yabo. Indaba siyaphaselana senza lento le. Yeah, inabanikazi bayo nayo baweka out basebenza kuyo. Yabo.
Yazi ngempela ama-team amaningi ngathi siyayithanda lento yokubuild from the back mayidlala nePirates. Even for the team there yenze njalo this season building from the back idlala neOrlando Pirates. Yona le bidlala la last game ye-M10 Orlando Pirates is a winner Orlando Pirates kuzokora ulungu. Kuma extra time.
Yeah, naleyo team yayikwenza.
Edlala nayiphi team?
Yayikwenza lokho. Ayipolokwane idlala eSundowns.
Yeah, ipolokwane
Pirates ibhekene neDurban City.
Durban City okuncanana. They wanted to build it from the back.
Yeah.
So bafethu formation nama-formation ngaze kube fana. Kube 4-2-3-1 because bobabili bebene striker lapha kuSekhukhune bekuNdlovu ngale bekumbuthuma then the 3 yellow khonje eSekhukhune bekuRamala uMajola then uMakowane. Yeah, then imiddle bekumkhize noKlaba.
Yeah, Clark.
Yes, Clark, sorry. Then ngiyamkhumbula uCardoso emumva uCousin uMobi balo
Matsimbi.
Ubani? Matsimbi. Yeah, Pirates umbuthuma Apolis
Mokobodi
then
Kampani
uLungu. An exciting player. That's one of the players engathandayo kwiPirates uLungu uHotto then bese kuba uHotto then lapha isisu because ukhumbula ukuthi lo umbatho
limele umbatho.
Yes, limele umbatho.
Nalo sanda kulimala obebuyi.
So Masilela then bese kuba uMthiyana. Then bese kuba uHotto, my favorite player uSibisi, uSiyema. One of the best players uCM.
Yeah.
Sibelebele. So kahle lapha emuva kwiOrlando Pirates bekuyinsimbi nje.
Yeah.
Hayi bekuyinsimbi then bese kuba uSipho Chain. I-defense yabo is strong kakhulu. Then yeah.
First half bimnandi attacking iOrlando Pagania.
Showcase.
Imnandi noshukela. Ngizobuya kule phuzu lami. Pirates still have to work hard. Lapha kwi-front uma sebefika eboxing. Bebe attack
Pirates kade sign uLokhunja uPeterson.
Okay, ngiyakubona mina uSebastian.
Yeah.
Ngiyakubona lokuthi isayinile umdlalo wale. Anyway.
Yes.
Ngiyakubona lokho. Sengisho mina nje wabe ngibuka le game le. Yeah. Fethu bedlalile futhi ikakhulukazi beyiqhamuka ngale right le side la ka right Pirate. Yeah, olumbe phaselana mthiyani be overlap even sibelebele. Yabona masingenile Pirate izolidlala kamnandi attacking yaphambili. Masingene eboxini angazi kufike kwenzakaleni. But ayikho lento yokuthi kubona uma sisifikile eboxini sishaya itarget sidle net. Yeah, ayikho.
I think everyone wants to score, yeah. So
yeah. Yabo if leli ball elithethwe ku Cardoso ngempela lithola umuntu othi ngifuna ukushayika bengayishaya inet lapha ku 5 post angiyigcwele iPirates ngiyayincoma limnandi ibhola layo idlalile and sibuye size la ku ref from the second half ngicabanga ukuthi uqonyiwe Khabo Kazim
yeah wenza ama tackles awu 3 kulunga not even one booking
yabo uKazim bedlala kakhulu ureferee angakhiphi card but uma yenziwa uLokhujana idefender yesikhukhune icard liphuma same time wangena uDansini wenza itackle la kuma same time
not even a warning
angithi yabona ke but uKazim uze wabala ulungu mfethu
wathi sesithathu
and wamphinda even na second half yabo sikhukhune ba right mfethu umkwena Ndlovu inkinga uNdlovu amadime angazi noma
bemkowani
yeah uLokhujana strike yeah bemplanele bemhlelo siyema bengamneki ithuba befika amabhola ivale akhave usiyema if usibisa akekho for ukumaka oNdlovu azange icapitalize yabona usibelebele noHotho bayarana bayaphambili instead of ukuthi sikhukhune idlale ama long ball kulama post la kungekho khona usibelebele noLokhujana noHotho sekudlala ama not build up ayikwenzi sibelebele uyagijima Hotho indlela efanayo
recover
yabo bayagijima lawo ngesikhathi nisashaya inika build up from the back leswini basuke sebefikile bona kuma position abo instead of ukutshela ama wing once bakhuphuka salithola thi ngemuva sihlabe kuye kulama position kuzokwazi ukuthi ustretcheke usiyema noSibisi
yes
striker sizokwazi ukuthi sithole ibhola kahle sikwazi ukuthi sikhahlele no uSibisi noSiyema ba relax bamanga kamnandi bayakwazi ukurecover uHotho noLokhujana abekho stress usebenzisa lento le ifuna ipractice le yamaLokhujana yokubuild up from the back yabona modlala lamaLokhujana i-left back ne-right back abakhuphuka kanje utilize leso space leso even the middle ikwazi leso ukuthi sine space kuzokwazi ukuthi 4 ne5 i-stretcher isale nespace iLokhujana i-striker so kwazi usithola igoli angikhumbula ukuthi abe mangaka ama shot striker sesikhukhuna uNdlovu angikhumbula ukuthi ngoba bebemhleli la
ama shot ontsakhetha u3 the whole game
sikhukhuna yangithi ayona ke yeah
so they were very limited
yabo Mkhize even uke waya ngisho uXaka kwiLokhujana yamkhumbula lapha walithola ibhola ngicanga ukuthi beliqhamuka komunkowane ewalithola kanti lizo intercept esiphongweni ku CM bezomshango meqothele umkwena bezolithola kamnandi selisemva ku alpenal beat yabona uma nikhuphuka nikwazi ukuthi ni utilize lezi space lezi bizokwazi ukuthi ibe nebhola elimnandi well omajela okay la iPirates imayimakile zamani ukuthi niphume niye emaside nidlalisa ama side yabona ngideliver ama cross okungenani cause le build up iyalithatha iPirate ikhanjwe ngamajumani bebengayibekile phansi olu even na second half even till uHotho azaphume ekugijinyo into eyodwa wafika iPirates ke ukuze izinto zihambe kahle lapha phambili yabona uHotsisile ukukhanda ukuthi iPirates ikore 2-3 goals first half even na second angaqhamuka naye Hotsisile une creativity uyalazi ipala yakwazi ukushaya shot on target baliblockile ufuna i-game time uHosisile i-game time yabona uHosisile uzo-attacka uzokudribula uzokhatha in uzophasa uzokhahlela
So do you think ucoach wadu phase out Apollos asayidlala yonke game
uhluleka ukuthola i-playmaker enye ezolekelelana no-Apollos bese kuba ngazathi embona u-Apollos uthi akasekho useful kanti unayo i-creative Apollos still namanje useseyi-best player yabona uqalisa uHosisile no-Apollos kwi-game eyi-1 khona uHotho khona uCM hayi khona into emnandi ezoqhamuka lapha kushesha nje futhi igoli lisheshe ukungena uHosisile udinga i-game time banzima uHotho bayaya phambili so makukhona leya creative sokune creativity ethu uHosisile no Apollos na kanjani uwabonile ama shot ebezama kanjani lapho second half ufuna igoal mayengena uHosisile naye ubefuna igoal so uyedwa lapha no-Apollos uyamdinga i-playmaker umuntu ozoba ushuku umuntu ozokwazi ukudraw i-attention yama-defender abantu abamakayo azokwazi ukuthathola ispace with either uzolikhipha ibhola or ushaya iplali uzamile u-Apollos ube negame emnandi ukuthi sekufanele i-team yethu ilokhu ukuthi ingabusawina ngo-1-0 nobani ake ikore yeah beyimnandi cool igame kakhulu beyimnandi nethi kusafanele kulungise lapha kweFrance angikamboni uphetheni Sebastian mhlambe khona kuphethe uSebastian mangabe sethola igame time asazi mhlambe uzophinda mfake futhi ucoach but nje in terms of striking I kusazobonakala
benjani defense esikukuni because mina into ngiyibona ngazathi before sabi balimita ilokhunju limit Pirates la kwi-central i-force ukuthi isebenzise ama-wide spaces but ke abantu abebewuhlupho uLungu noHotho bazamile impela ukuthi beyihluphe la defense ngama combinations this why uLungu is one of the players tacklisho kakhulu
uKhadoso noMopi bebenza sure ukuthi ayikho amabhola azoqhamuka okanye ibhola ezizoba i-danger towards i-goal yeah bebemakile benze sure ukuthi ayikho into ezoqhamuka nombuthuma ayikho into ezoqhamuka eswing ukuthi i-counter izongena lapha kwabo hence iPirate ibiqhamuka ngama-side kakhulu ukuze ikwazi ukuthi ingene la ngesikhathi iqhamuka ngama-side sekuyaphoqeleka ukuthi bayomakwa osibelebele bayomakwa oHotho bayomakwa futhi behluka ubeyinkinga kakhulu bephathise nzima kakhulu uLungu nangu no-Apollos ukhona but yona iwenzile umsebenzi kakhulu obekumele aqine kakhulu laphana noma eqine ngesicathulo ke kuLungu cousin noMatsimbi yeah ngoba la awekho ama shot on target abe direct kule position yaKhadoso noMopi bengekho so that's why bengabe iPirates bivalelekile la ikwazi ukuthi isebenzise ama-wide spaces cause la kwi-defense cha bekuvaliwe.
What do you think about the goalkeeper uThezi?
Yeah uThezi ubemnandi but akawatholanga lawo ma-test ukuthi cha la ushayiwe
bethola ama-test not ama-exams
yeah bethola ama-test ama-exams cause bekulula ibhola beyimanga bishayile iPirates it's either lizoba wide or liblockwe ama-defender but yena ubekwazi ukuthi malidlulile be-easy even naleli shawo uHosisile beli-easy ukuthi ali-pick up belifika kwelipholile mhlambe umuntu okhahlelayo ubengenaso ispace ukuthi akhahlele kahle fika ibhola selingasekho ingozi kuyena yeah
defense Pirates was compact and organized
yeah kakhulu siyema siyisi kakhulu
they bakwazi ukumaintaina i-shape by limit isikhukhune they create a clean sheet uSiphochen cishe wenza iblunder lapha ezekhala ngama
leya shot le i-ground shot yeah icishe ukube ithe ukuya kwi-far post beyisobhala isikhukhune lapha ya
Yeah.
1-1.
But the best players for me, it was Lungu and Hot. So those were the best players. I think man of the match must be between those two guys. Then what do you think about the second leg? Because the Orlando Pirates got a away goal rule advantage, and they will be playing as Kodini with their fans. I'm sure it will be a sold out. So what do you think? Can you predict the scores of second leg? And the person I should do babona nini ababukeli be starting 11.
Second leg, yeah, ihamba phambili iPirates. Second leg iPirates izobe home egroundini elikhulu kunaleli bebedlala kulo. Yabo bazogijima utararata ke kosibelebele no Hot. UHotho ke uye umdlali engingasho ukuthi usase strong ekutheni mangifika phambili ibhola fanele likhale nethi. Ne free kick yakhe itshengisile lokho. Igoli lakhe litshengisile lokho. Ukhipha ubelindele ukuthi ibhola lizoza la kimi phezulu or la phansi. Walishala angalindele khona ngezokufika khona. Even yabona ama strikers ajwayele ukukora la amagoli ashaya uHot namhla. So second game if ingalungisanga ilokhujana azongena bemabili amagoli. If iPirates starting ngoHositsile mhlambe izashaya ngo 3-1 ilokhujana isikhukhulu second leg plus naleli goli ke lingene namhlanje. Yeah, so next time sinibona abalandeli bethu kuzoba phakathi neviki izodlala iKaizer Chiefs ngokusasa iSundowns first leg neGolden Arrows. Yeah, I mean bese kuthi ke elandela izoba phakathi neviki ngoba iChiefs neSundowns bazophinde badlale futhi phakathi neviki. iChiefs ngisayikhumbula phakathi neviki.
NeSundowns showcase
izodlala.
Yes, because nePirates nayo kumele idlale because they bephinde bedlale nesikhukhuni
weekend.
Yeah, so they will play back to back 3 games.
Hey, phela bashadile isikhukhule neOrlando Bhakane.
But it's good thing for Pirates ukuthi wonke lama game azayo besesekhaya and they won this one.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Yeah, sikhukhune Pirates 3 times in a row. So udlalile namhlanje phakathi neviki bese lokugcina uzoba ngeweekend.
But mina I'm sure uPapa uzothana yeze ivume ukushaya iPirates kathathu. Bafethu sesifikile ekugcineni bafethu please don't forget to follow us on YouTube at Starting 11 sabonga kakhulu. Danke siyabonga.